In today's video, I will walk you through how to add transition in PowerPoint. Start by selecting the slide where you want the transition to appear before. The transition controls how that slide enters during the presentation. After selecting the slide, click the Transitions tab in PowerPoint. This will show all the available transition effects you can apply. Next, choose the transition effect you want to use. Common options include fade, push, wipe, split, and morph if your version of PowerPoint includes it. Click on the effect you want, and it will be applied to the selected slide immediately. If you want to change it, just click another effect and it will update right away. You can repeat the same process for other slides. Select a slide, go to the Transitions tab, and click the effect you want to apply. Some transitions you may see include fade for a smooth change, push for a sliding motion, wipe for a directional reveal, split for a divided effect, and morph for a more advanced transition in newer versions. To check your work, click on each slide and look at the applied transition. If you want to adjust it, simply return to the Transitions tab and select a different effect. That's all there is to adding transitions in PowerPoint. Select the slide, open the Transitions tab, choose an effect, and click to apply it. Thank you for watching the video.